New edition of Supply Chain Movement. The cover interview with Heineken. My blog about the CO2 supply map. How to climb a mountain of sustainability. What is the importance of visibility, also very important. Nice blog with Professor Jan van Soo about the news vendor model, about decision making. Like I said, the cover interview with Heineken, Magnus Sednes. How they apply robots and also how they apply Gen AI, very interesting. Checklist, trends, management article about innovation based on our Innovate Supply Chain event with cases from Metro, Lego, PepsiCo, Verzuni. My article written by myself and Carlos Cordon about AI and supply chain with an extensive mind map with the trends, impact, challenges and solutions. Another management article about the impact of ESG regulations, CBAM, CSRD, etc. What's the status? A lot to do, a lot of regulations and the need for visibility. Here data about supply chain sustainability. And here a lot of work. This is my subway map of sustainability software and the vendors from Northwestern Europe. All kind of supply lines, different kind of solutions. So it's a cowboy market. Very practical checklist about scope 3, how to measure it. Another version of the ecosystem, and this is the agricultural food ecosystem, what's changing and what does it mean for all the parties involved. Stakeholder mapping. Case of Kerger using a startup tool about carbon emission calculation. Another checklist. And finally, last but not least, extensive interview with Professor Brander Smet about his latest book, Rethinking Supply Chain. Very important, we should be more strategic in thinking about supply chain. Good read, thanks.